We'll find out in a minute. It looks like we are. They are leaving. So they're going to go follow the stone wall and duck into the woods. Meanwhile, I'm getting Bullet ready. Get that off of you. Get rid of this. Okay, good boy. So Bullet's he watched him walk away. Then we're going to turn him around. Here, Bullet, so you don't see them. Okay, good boy. Oh, good boy. He's lined himself up. He's ready. You ready to go to work, Bullet? Yes, look at him sitting there. Bullet. 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 Over here. Bullet. Good. It looks like it's recording. I hope it is. It should be. Yep, looks like it is. Okay. So we don't have that mistake from before. Okay. Good boy, Bullet. Okay, good boy. Here, hold on, Bullet. Good boy. I want to make sure it's recording since the last time it didn't record. Okay, good boy. Good boy. Okay. Okay, hold on. We're just going to walk up a little closer because they're walking a little slowly. Yeah, that's a good boy. Okay. Otherwise, we're going to be too far. I think we were supposed to not start out quite so far. So we're just going to catch up with them, and then we'll hide Bullet's eyes and let them start and duck into the woods. And then my dog that he's following is the Rottweiler, and he's going to go right into the woods, and so he's the dog we want to find. Okay, so Bullet got to see him. Okay, they will be at the woods shortly. Right, Bullet? Bullet's eagerly waiting. Okay, yes, I know you want to go to work. Want to go to work, Bullet? He does. He's all excitable. He's an excitable Bullet. Hold on, buddy. Good boy. Good boy. That's a good boy. Good boy. And then we have your age trail to do. This is quite a bit today, huh, Bullet? Hold on. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Put a couple mounts in. They're hiding into the woods now, which is good. I'll leave the leash right here. Okay. And let me find his scent article. Good boy, Bullet. Good boy. Good boy. Okay. Bullet can't see. We're behind this little stone wall here. You can't see, but I can. Okay. And it's looking like, here, Bullet. They are finding their hiding places. I hope they don't go too far. I said just to go like 20 feet or so in there. Okay. All right, looks like they're hiding. Okay. So, okay. Bullet, go to work. Ready to go to work? Let's see. Bullet, sniff it. No, sniff it. That's better. Okay, wait. Good boy. He says, I think I got it. Sniff it. Ready to go to work. Bullet, go find. Doing good. He's right along the path. Now when we get into the woods, hopefully he's going to turn to the right. I think we're too far. We're too far. Good boy, Bullet. Good boy. Good boy. Tiff, give a quick yell. Tiff? Oh, yell again. Oh, my. Oh, okay. Okay, that Bullet's right. Okay, go find. Good boy. Good boy, Bullet. Good boy. Good boy, Bullet. Good boy. Good boy. Yes. Good boy, Bullet. Good boy. Good boy. What a good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good doggy.
We were yapping, so I don't know that we went the exact way.
Well, I was looking for you to go right as soon as you went into the woods. Because, see, he went right by her.
Oh, he did?
We had to go by her to get to you.
Yeah.
So I wanted you guys to go completely
Yep.
apart, but that's okay.